Alright everyone, this is my cooking show. This is where I make brats and some noodle things. Okay, let's get into this. I already have some, stop talking, I'm doing my cooking show.
I don't care.
I'm doing my cooking show.
No one likes you.
Brats are done. Alright, so I already have some 4 cups of water, 4 cups of water boiling with some butter in it. And I'm gonna bring these brats outside and I'm gonna cook them. I'm gonna sear them up, you know, make them all nice golden brown over the fire. Gotta take these out of here. Alright, move this over here. Actually, I need this back out because I'm going to be putting over here to boil. Turn that off.
You gotta light a fire. Yeah.
Yeah. So now you're going to cut the onions. First you got to peel it. What? Why? I'm cutting an onion.
Come here.
No, I'm not gonna cut.
Oh, who's on my dog?
You're ruining my cooking show. Alright, once you got that done, gotta cut it in half, okay? Yeah, gotta take it like this. Slice it like that. Gotta turn it. And then you just gotta, you know, do that, You like my I almost cut myself. Never look away. As long as they're in pieces, you'll be fine. And if you start crying while cutting onions, it's okay. I don't know what I'm doing. So slowly mix these in. We need to have one of these island things so I can do cooking videos all the time. Oh, I need a timer. So once you get a minute and a half left, you gotta get your other things, you know, like your 2/3 cup of milk, and the seasoning pouches. Why is it slimy? I think I did this wrong. You drank it.
That almost went in the noodles.
Yeah, that almost went in there. You'll be eating a dart. Alright, so turn off the heat and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then you have Jesus! Alright, now we just gotta get a panning shot of the food because that's what food reviewers do. Wait, I'm not reviewing the food, am I? No, I'm not reviewing it. That's just too much work for a video.
Try and throw it right in there.
Yeah, nice panning shot of the food. And then you're done. Right?